Hi, this is Ian. This is my extra credit video for Chem class. How to relate said Chem class to my shop. My shop is electrical occupation, so I thought it makes sense to explore the materials that the wire is made out of that carries the electricity. These wires here, as you can see by the bright coppery orange color, are plain old copper wires. Now these wires would you find in like a building, like a house or a school or whatever. These ones are small, so they're light duty. Copper has a great conductivity, so it's perfect for using for wire. It's ductile, which means it can be poured into a wire, and it's just great for the purpose. However, for a larger wire, it gets a little too expensive. So, for things like services, schools, or in a service to a house like mine up here on the roof, the wire is typically aluminum. This means that the wire, while still like ductile, so it can be put into a wire, it cannot carry as much current. And another big difference is due to the fact that aluminum oxide cannot carry electricity, you must use a protectant when you make up your connections, like the splices up on the roof there. Compared to the copper, which when this oxidizes, it will still carry current. You really won't see any noticeable effect if your wire gets into this light or into your house or whatever. Now the way to do this with the aluminum wire, there's a special chemical that comes in, looks like a glue bottle. It's called Noalox, so no aluminum oxidation. And splicing a aluminum wire together, these wires are actually copper clad aluminum, which means they are aluminum wires that have been covered with copper for conductivity, which in theory works, in reality does not. When you splice these wires together, you have to use this gray kind of goop, that stuff, and to put this onto these wires when you're splicing them, like all coated and everything. I'm just going to mock this up really quick. Everything coated. This stuff will not impede the flow of the electricity, so which is why we can still use it. When you're done, separate these wires, splice them all together like so, and you would use some sort of clamp or a wire nut or whatever to cover the splice up. Now, if the wire was to get into that splice, it won't affect it, so it won't oxidize. That's it. That's the extra credit video.